Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into one of the best budget-friendly car upgrades you can get in 2025, the wireless Apple CarPlay screen for car with 4K dash cam, 9-inch display, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, mirror link, and Bluetooth connectivity. If your car doesn't have a built-in infotainment system, this device is the perfect plug-and-play solution. No wiring, no dashboard removal, just mount, plug, and go. The 9-inch high-resolution screen looks fantastic, offering crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and smooth touch response. It feels premium and immediately gives your car's interior a modern upgrade. Let's talk features. This device supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can instantly mirror your smartphone's apps for navigation, calls, texts, music, and voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant. That means true hands-free control, perfect for safe driving. Now here's where it really shines, the 4K Ultra HD front dash cam and 1080p backup camera. Both deliver clear, detailed footage, even at night. The dash cam records continuously while you drive, helping capture every important moment on the road. The backup camera activates automatically when reversing, providing a wide, clear view to prevent blind spots. It also comes with built-in GPS navigation, so you can track routes accurately even when you're offline. The mirror link feature lets you stream apps directly from your phone to the display, while Bluetooth and FM transmitter options allow seamless audio integration with your car's sound system. The voice control function adds another layer of convenience. Just say "Hey Siri" or "Hey Google" to play your favorite song, answer a call, or launch navigation. It's intuitive, fast, and keeps your hands safely on the wheel. Whether you're driving an older vehicle or just want the latest tech without paying dealership prices, this 9-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen gives you everything: style, safety, and performance in one powerful device. Buy it today on Amazon, link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech reviews and smart upgrades every day.